First bit of the video is kind of wibbly wobbly. I was outside trying to do too many things. Feed the birds at the same time as video. That wasn't so good. Hi, Hedwig. You're so adorable. Hi, Hedwig. This is better. I hope I'm holding it steadier. Hi, Arnie. You got your nails did yesterday, hey, buddy? Hi, Pearl. You went with him because he was panicking without his little Pearl. Right, Arnie? Yeah. Cheeky little turkey and beautiful little Hedwig. Hello. You're just such good babies. Hi. Hi. Oh yeah, cheeky little turkey. You're like an annoying little brother. Aura, can you see Aura up on my head? Yep. Okay. Hi, Buzzard. And this one, chicken, stop it, is hormonal again, even after implant. Pikachu! You're hiding. Nobody likes the camera. Roxy used to love the camera. Yeah. Hi, Buckbeak. Hi, my boy. You're so beautiful. Yeah. I love you. You're so cute. Look at. Oh, just he's so cute. Deacon. Stop being hormonal. Yep. Oh, attack Pikachu. I don't know if I got Aura properly before. There's Aura. He's having a ride on my head. He's giving me a new hair. Oh, kissy. Kiss. Thank you. Go kissing the birdie. Kiss, kiss. Kiss. Oh, thank you. What a pretty bird.